So, I am here now in the beach meditating.
Na-miss ko na yung adventure kay, you know, yung day-to-day routine natin. Na-caught up tayo sa Matrix. Sarap adventure, mag-travel bay. Pero excited ako sa life bay. You know, lalo na pag madami ka ng nakabit mo na yung state of being na yon, yung adventure sa life. Yung just choosing asan ka na road papunta. I miss that by yung mundane at saka yung kabaliktaran ng mundane. Yung meaning ng mundane is parang, you know, the normality of life, day-to-day living, at saka yung adventure. I miss that by I miss yung adventure self ko.